Jack Davey lost her life when a driver plowed through a school fence in Melbourne yesterday, and he has been remembered as a rising sports star who represented Victoria and Australia in futsal. He lost her life on the way to hospital after a white SUV crashed through the fence of Auburn South Primary School about 2:30 p.m. yesterday. Four others were also injured. School and sporting communities in Melbourne's inner east have been left reeling in the wake of his demise and today took to social media to honor his memory. The Australian Futsal Association's Melbourne branch this afternoon remembered the cherished and talented indoor soccer player who represented both Victoria and Australia for his age group. Jack began playing for the Bialik Futsal Club in Hawthorn in the Under 8s League, where he left a lasting impression.